It was fascinating session. All of you told us about your stories, your pains, your gains, your learnings, your perseverance. All of this was very exciting. And all the pride that you are all feeling in this journey so far. Wonderful to see. Now let me take the role of a mentor. I am no longer one of your colleagues. I am taking a role of a mentor, and mentor tells you what you don't want to hear. Okay? So now, if you feel hurt in the next 5 minutes, that's not my problem.
You can call a tormentor and not a mentor.
I can become a tormentor, and I am a tormentor. Yes, yes, for people who know. So it is very important. Sanjay asked a question. I'll share the news with you in the good and bad news, right? Sanjay asked a question to me, can we, together with all the intelligence that is in the room, could we have avoided some of these pains and so on? So I'm a very strong believer that success leaves clues. Okay? Write it down in your head. Success leaves clues. Whether it is people or it is company, success leaves clues. If you follow the clues, you can be successful. So there is a lesson in that sentence itself. As a mentor now, when I see, right, what you can do, first of all, I find, and I have talked to at least half the portfolio companies, if not more, a lot of pain could have been avoided if we had put more time in understanding true unique value proposition. See, pivots happen when? Pivots happen when your value proposition that you think today is the unique value proposition, but it does not stand the test of time. Right? That is the number one reason of pivoting. You, after a year or two, you find me, yaar, ye nahi work kar raha hai, let us do something else, right? Could that have been seen? In my opinion, yes. I will give you some examples of that from within your portfolio companies. So it is very, very important that we test our unique value proposition theory against some serious thinking. The second part of it is, can a large company be built on your unique value proposition? 2-4-10 million ki company is not worth your time, guys. And that is another place where I see multiple of our companies and many other companies that I see, they have a unique value proposition, but it's not going to take them all the way. So then what is the point, right? What makes unique value proposition strong is IP, for example, what Manoj has done, Nico has done, and so on. That is one way to create something of valuable, something that is different, something that can stand the test of global, uniquely different model. All that is very, very important. And for that, I tell all the companies that I have talked to, many of you have talked to, you need to know your competitive landscape better than you know yourself, right? I don't know how many of you I have sent back and said, boss, 1 mahine baad aiye, right? I see Saurabh putting, I see the Dhruv here, right? Hame competitive landscape sikhaiye and why you would be unique, right? Extremely, extremely important. We start without doing competitive analysis. Let me tell you, I have done PhD. In PhD, the first half of the thesis is about the problem you choose to work. What is the state of the art? And why are you choosing this problem to work? And what would be your path? That's half the thesis. 2.5 years or 5 years you are actually spending in defining the problem. And yet we here decide the problem just like that and start working and think things will go hunky-dory. No, they don't. There's no white space in the world. There are very intelligent people across the fence from you. So my first message to you is, at any stage, you need to test your unique value proposition, whether it will sustain itself over the years and a large company and a large business can be built around it or not. Absolutely critical. If you look at your own journeys and many of the pivots that many of you have gone, I don't know if every one of them could be avoided. Things happen that are out of your control, but at least जो आपके कंट्रोल में है उसके लिए तो you should hold yourself accountable, right? जो कुछ और हो गया अभी वो जैसे उसका क्रेड राइट ने बोला कि वो the IL&FS happened, अरे यार वो तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, स्टॉक मार्केट ड्रॉप्स, कोरोना वायरस हैपेंस, वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. बट हैविंग अ कम्पिटिटिव लैंडस्केप लर्निंग, उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? क्या आपके हाथ में नहीं है? हैविंग अ यूनिक वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन, क्या आपके हाथ में नहीं है? हैविंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट दिस विल स्टैंड मी 5 next 10 years, इसमें क्या आपके हाथ में नहीं है? यस, द ओनली थिंग यू डोंट नो वेयर द कंपटीशन विल कम फ्रॉम, बट वो भी काफी हद तक पता लग जाता है. सो नंबर 1 पॉइंट इज फोकस ऑन दैट. देन सेकंड थिंग संजय, your strategy when you start is on the right step. You are all equally intelligent guys, right? हम भी उतना ही IQ है जितना आप लोग का है. So you start on the right foot. But a startup is not where your strategy is fixed. It should change every day. I'm not saying your commitment should change. I'm not saying your conviction should change. But your strategy has to be continuously changed. हम क्या हो जाता है, हम start करते हैं strategy से, busy हो जाते हैं, busy on tactical task, strategy वहीं रह गई जहाँ हमने शुरू किया था. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. आप इतने सारे क्रिकेट के फैन हो, आप बताओ every ball पे strategy change होती है कि नहीं होती? Even in test match, every ball is studied and is analyzed, and when those boys who bring the drink, bring the chit with them कि यार strategy क्या हो गया? Every drink break strategy is changing. हमारी कहाँ हो रही है चेंज? हमने तो बना दी पहले जब शुरू किया था, इन्वेस्टर से पैसा इकट्ठा कर लिया, अब तो हम राजा हो गए, स्ट्रेटजी वही है, हम आगे बढ़ गए, competitive landscape change हो गया, we are not even paying attention. So this is another point that we could do. I believe that one should pivot every day. Okay? You should not pivot 6 months, 1 साल, 2 साल, वो नहीं, every day. क्यों नहीं आप सीख रहे हैं मार्केट से and you are pivoting every day? Pivot doesn't mean completely dramatic change in your strategy or product. It just means you are learning from market every day and learning. Let me give you some examples here, right? The important part here is all this could be avoided. जैसे कल वो राम था हमारे साइकिल में, जो मैंने कल भी एग्जाम्पल दिया था, आज फिर से मैं रिपीट करूंगा. I don't know how many teams actually used राम. कल 6 टीम थी, सबको राम चाहिए थे, राइट? हमारी टीम का हालत ये थी, हमारी टीम वालों से पूछ लीजिए आप कि हमको चेन ही नहीं समझ में आ रही थी कि कैसे लगेगी. बॉस ये राम चाहिए, और योरनेस्ट इज यूनिकली क्वालिफाइड टू प्रोवाइड यू दैट राम. आप उसको यूज करिए. यही चैलेंज इंजीनियरिंग है. प्रसाद बाद में बोलेंगे, बट हम आपको ये बता देते हैं कि हम राम है, रामू कह दीजिए, जो भी कह दीजिए, बट प्लीज यूज अस, बिकॉज हमारे बिना वही 5 कितनी देर रामू ने आपकी हेल्प की? 2 मिनट उसको अलाउड था हेल्प करने को, और ये भी नहीं अलाउड था कि टच करे कुछ. Yet he solved our problem, right? So create RAMs. It doesn't have to be always from your nest, but create these RAMs who you can help and take you next level. Let me give you examples of some of our companies because that you will relate to, right? Take Miko for example. I know Sneh is not there. Somebody else is there. Sneh came and we were having there. And Sneh takes time. Whenever he comes अपने आप आता है, बैठता है, बातें करता है, जो भी उसकी problems है बताता है. Guys, I don't join board of any companies so that you can talk to me completely freely. You don't have to sugarcoat me. You don't have to tell me. You can say, boss, हमारे 12 बजे हुए हैं. The discussion can start from there. I have no problem. So Miko की बात हो रही थी. As an example, he came. I said, what is next? And somehow the discussion came, we are launching the product in US. I said, boss, आपने US के लिए localize किया है product? He said, what does that mean? I said, boss, जैसे इंडिया में Miko ने पहाड़ा सिखा दिया हमारे बच्चे को, और टेबल सिखा दी तो हमारा काम हो गया. In US that is not the case. It has to teach the kids saying thank you, the simple manners and those kind of things. खाली accent से localize नहीं होगा वो. And we had a long discussion. To cut the story short, he did a focus group. He then utilized. I'm sure you can add, right? 6 months हमने delay कर दिया, but we did it all, right? Now, if that discussion hadn't taken place, what would be the repercussion? Another heroic story you would have heard here, but they would have lost $2 million, and they would have lost a year, and they would have lost credibility, right? Example number 1. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 क्रॉन का. चलो तुषार तुम्हारा एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. मैं उसको पहले दिन से कह रहा हूं कि तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट कंपेलिंग, राइट? एंड आई नेवर मिक्स, आई से व्हाट आई हैव टू से, आई बिलीव इन इट. आपको सुनना सुनिए, नहीं सुनना नहीं सुनिए, राइट? तो क्रॉन को मैंने कहा पहले दिन से कि नहीं है, होते 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 टू कट द स्टोरी शॉर्ट, नाउ वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग दैट इज मीनिंगफुल, राइट? सो and now, poor guys, they want to sit down and talk to us, and we have been not able to give time. But the message is very clear. Take Dhruv, call Flan. पूछिए ध्रुव को कितना मैंने इसको परेशान किया है कि बॉस ये गेम है ही नहीं, क्यों खेल रहे हो ये गेम? And but it's a constructive dialogue, and through push pull, now he has arrived where he has a play. Take aha example, right? आपको डिस्कशन के थ्रू हमने बोला कि बॉस ये गेम नहीं है, अगर वो हम उस टाइम रिकवर कर जाते आपके कितने पेन कम हो जाते. So the point I'm trying to do is that a lot of it is avoidable, and we should do whatever is in our hand to use Rams and so on to make sure that our problems reduce. Now, one very strong suggestion I have for all of you before I go to the next stage, and that is, आप लोगों को सबको 5 मिनट दिया गया था, right? And शायद मेरे ख्याल से नीरज के अलावा किसी ने भी 5 मिनट, किसी और ने? Shicharu did 5 minutes, okay, आपने तो तीन नहीं यार, आपके में तो कार्तिक was talking longer. Let's not go there. This is an informal environment, and you are enjoying, you are taking pride, we have no problem. But let me tell you that when you go to see somebody senior in the world, like John Chambers or the likes, here is how the meeting goes, right? You will get ready. आपकी 12:30 बजे मीटिंग है, आप तो 11:30 से ही पहुंचे हुए वहाँ, बिकॉज इट इज मीटिंग विद जॉन चेम्बर्स, एंड यू आर वेरी वेरी एंशियस कि बस हमको ये बताना है, हमको ये बताना है, हमको ये बताना है, एंड ऑल दैट थिंग. At 12:30 his admin will come and say that John is busy, he will come 5-7 minutes late. अभी आप और एंशियस हो गए हो, right? So now when the meeting starts, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपका जो प्री स्टोरी थी, जो 3 घंटे की स्टोरी आपने बनाई थी, अभी वो रीसेट चाहिए उसके लिए. नाउ व्हाट यू ट्राई टू डू इज, वो ही 3 घंटे की मूवी को आप 2.5 घंटे में ही बोलना चाहते हो, तो यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग वेरी फास्ट, and your meeting will end on the same time. He will not give you the extra 5 minutes that he is late. So all of us need to learn कि हम जो भी टाइम है हमारा तो नॉर्मल होता है. when these meetings begin, I say how much time we have. Meeting begins with that, and completely rephrase करके then you present your story, because अगर आपकी स्टोरी का एंड नहीं हुआ और वो मीटिंग खत्म हो गई, then it's history. So one strong suggestion, यहाँ के लिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे we are all family and you taking extra time, and Sanjay is giving that liberally is no problem. However, please learn how to communicate your point, your story in a very defined period. It could be 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 25 minutes, 1 hour, whatever it is, it should finish. India में तो लोग फोन ही ले लेते हैं बीच मीटिंग में. US में कम से कम आपको पता हो गया, एक बार मीटिंग शुरू हुई तो आपके पास 23 मिनट्स है. यहाँ पे तो हाँ तो बोलो हाँ अरे यार ये क्या है, what is this bullshit, But this is a problem. You need to know. अब अगर आप कल रिलायंस से अंबानी को मिलने जा रहे हैं और उसका बीच में कॉल आ गया, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप तो नहीं कह सकते कि मत लो कॉल. So how do you dynamically structure your situation based on the time you have? That is an art of communication. Very, very, very important. ओके, चलिए अभी हम आ जाते हैं कि अभी तो आप लोग यहाँ तक की जर्नी आपकी आ गई एंड यू आर ऑल वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट. आप लोग यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं, बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन्स आपने देखे हैं, ऑल दैट इज ग्रेट. गाइस, द बैड न्यूज ऑल्सो इज दैट नन ऑफ अस हैव अराइव्ड. आप अपनी खूब खुश होइए, प्राइड लीजिए, झंडे फहराइए, मिठाई खाइए, बट none of our companies, including all of you, have been able to raise money from a top tier VC in a big way. None of us you have been able to cross 10, 20, $50 million revenue. 5, 7 साल हो चुके हैं कंपनीज को. So सेलिब्रेट करिए, बट इतना भी मत सेलिब्रेट करिए कि मतलब आपको लगे कि you have arrived. Actually, none of you have. So now, what do we do from here to there? Very important for you to do. Or you can keep making the same mistakes. That is what will happen if you don't pay attention. अब जिस स्टेज पे आप लोग हैं, at least the fund 1 की companies or maybe some fund 2 companies as well, you should now know what the product market fit is. अगर अभी भी आपको pivot करना है, तो बहुत 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 देर हो रही है, बहुत देर हो रही है. सो आई थिंक आपको प्रोडक्ट मार्केट फिट अब कम से कम अब तक तो पहुंच जाना चाहिए. इन माय ओपिनियन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 साल में, इफ़ यू कैन नॉट फिगर इट आउट, इवन इफ यू आर इन अर्ली स्टेज, आई थिंक द गेम इज गेटिंग कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. राइट, बेसिक प्रोसेसेस इन योर कंपनीज. टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ लेवल, फॉर एग्जांपल ले लीजिए, मीको ले लीजिए. बेसिक प्रोसेसेस शुड बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड. सेल्स कैसे होगा, सेल्स कैसे स्केल होगा, कस्टमर सपोर्ट कैसे होगा, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कौन देख रहा है, प्रोडक्ट रोड मैप कौन देख रहा है, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर इज देयर. ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैव टू बी, शुड बी फिक्स्ड बाय नाउ. 4, 5 साल अगर हो गए हैं और अभी तक ये फिक्स नहीं है, that's not a good news, right? So all the processes, अगर अभी भी सारी चीजें आप स्प्रेडशीट में कर रहे हो, that is not a good sign. Let me tell you that. That is not a good sign. इसका मतलब आप स्केल के लिए अभी तैयार ही नहीं हो. ओके, सो टूल्स जो भी आपको चाहिए अपने बिजनेस के लिए, they should be in place. Decent team should be in place. जब आप आते हैं तो कहते हैं कि इसको हायर करेंगे, उसको हायर करेंगे, ये कर लेंगे, वो कर लेंगे. 3, 4, 5 साल हो गए. इज द टीम इन प्लेस नाउ? अगर अभी भी आप यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ CTO और अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर और अ VP ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग और दिस और दैट, और 5 साल हो गए, यू आर इन डायर स्ट्रेट्स, राइट? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर द पॉइंट आई एम गोइंग टू मेक. CEOs or the founders should have become reasonably redundant by now. 5 साल हो गए, 6 साल हो गए, कोई 10 साल हो गए, but CEO is working the way they were working 10 years back. Scale कैसे करोगे? Who is going to scale the company? So CEO की टेबल इस वक्त खाली हो जानी चाहिए. I tell that to श्यामल आता है और मेरे पास लेवल से, I tell the same thing. बॉस, आपकी टेबल खाली हो गई कि नहीं खाली हो गई? अगर आपकी टेबल उतनी बिजी है जितनी उस टाइम पे थी, मोर और लेस उसी इश्यूज से, you are not ready to scale. So आपके पास टाइम होना चाहिए. By this time you should have $100 million revenue की साइट, not 5-10 million. अभी 5 साल हो गए ना, अब 100 मिलियन की गेम दिखाइए ना. 5 मिलियन, 10 मिलियन, ये सब गेम खत्म हो चुका है, पीछे छूट गया. So आपको 100 मिलियन का गेम होना चाहिए. So I think it's very, very important that you start thinking from there. Take a lot of pride, enjoy your journey so far, nothing wrong with that. But अभी हम कोई भी वहाँ नहीं पहुँचे जहाँ पहुँचना चाहिए. We are actually behind, if you honestly ask me to. Every company of ours is struggling with funding and with revenues and with this and with that, and pivoting and re-pivoting. We need to fix something. We need to do something about it. This is not fun. This is, you enjoyed? Great. Let's move. Next. Right? So, it is very important that you pay attention. Number one, like I said, आपकी product market fit अब हो जानी चाहिए. आपके पास टीम होनी चाहिए, टूल्स वगैरह होने चाहिए, आपकी सीईओ को रिडंडेंट होना चाहिए, टाइम होना चाहिए उसके पास, आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी शुड बी टू रीच $100 million एंड योर यूनिक वैल्यू proposition has to stand the test of $100 million. 5-10 million, 5-5, 7-7 साल हो गए, अब क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, right? So it's very very important. So that is what we have to do. I'll take few questions, but before that let me answer question and Charu's question, and then I'll open if there is time. Sanjay, we can take some questions. आप लोगों ने कहा family का situation, and Charu, you were very emotional for the right reasons, and Karthik, you also raised it. मेरे पास टाइम अभी बताने के लिए नहीं है. I'm happy to talk to you one on one, but you can all go and see one of my videos called The Science of Success. The science means Vigyan wala science. The Science of Success. It's a 1-hour lecture which earned me the India level award for the leadership from this. Each one of you should actually see it. It talks about holistic success. How do you achieve holistic success? And Karthik and Charu, holistic success does not mean every day that you live is balanced, but over a period of time everything is balanced. How do you make that happen is really your part. If you think entrepreneurial environment will give you freedom to spend time with your babies and husbands and so on, यहाँ ruthlessness है एकदम, क्योंकि आपका competitor तो नहीं कर रहा है. So यहाँ से आपको कोई sympathy नहीं मिलेगी. You need to figure out how to plan and make this happen in a holistic way. आप उसको देखिए, and उसके बाद any question you have you can write to me. I'll be happy to answer. So वो आपकी family को balance करेगा, and everything that I say, let me tell you that is something that I have experienced. I don't give any sort of पढ़ाई knowledge से मैं कुछ भी share नहीं करता हूँ. जो Science of Success में लिखा है वो मैंने every piece I have done, and I can tell you that it works. So any question you come, I'll answer. Sanjay, do we have 2 minutes for any question answers?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes? Okay. Any question and answers? On not the last topic. Last topic हम answer करेंगे after you have seen the video. But scaling issues or other issues that I talked. Yes, Tushar.
So, sir, I have 2 major questions. One, we've been talking about pivoting, and as you know, we've had a lot of interactions about pivoting, and we are pivoting right now, and we're very serious about the way it's going. So, our biggest problem and the biggest thing I want to ask about pivoting or the journey of pivoting is that what should be the top 5 things a company should be doing or looking at when this journey of pivoting is happening. Number 2, that as a company we realized that when we were pivoting, we obviously realized that we had to build a new team and get some experienced people on board, and we got those people. How do we trickle down the change into the whole team? Because we are so dependent on the solution side of business when we started, especially with Kavach and border security and perimeter security, that people who are working, some gem of the employees have been there for 3 years with us in electrical, Minas, I think we've talked about him, he's a good guy. You know, these guys have been good with us, but suddenly when we are pivoting, there's somewhere we see there's a lack of connect between the way we are imagining things suddenly and the way they are looking at the problem. How do we get that sorted?
Yeah, very good question. So पहले तो जब when you pivot, now you make damn sure where you are going. Second pivot is no fun, let me tell you that. Right? Now the example you gave, आपने अपने ड्राइवर को बोला कि मुझे मैसूर जाना है, वो मैसूर की तरफ ले जा रहा है, अभी आपने पिवट कर दिया और ड्राइवर को तो बताया नहीं, आप कह रहे मैंगलोर जाना है हमको. So that is a serious challenge. It is not easy thing. So first, make sure your new pivot is exciting and much more sound than what it was, because you will have to admit mistake with your people. That guys, I goofed. As a leader, I goofed. I am a big of opinion that we need to be, only way you can earn credibility is when you admit you goofed. If you try to leap up on it, your credibility will go down, right? So पहले तो आप admit करिए उनके सामने जिनको आप 3 साल से कहानी सुना रहे थे कि ये हमारी $1 billion कंपनी है and कुछ हुआ या नहीं है. So first thing is you admit and you say, I'm a human, I made a mistake here. And after a lot of learnings, after consulting, after talking to people, we have figured out, and through experience learning, this is the path we are going to go. This is why this is a real path and this is exciting. आपको share करना पड़ेगा ये सारे लोगों को, right? Important. Align करना पड़ेगा, share भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा. There is a huge difference between sharing and aligning. Sharing is आपने PowerPoint दिखा दिया, अब साले समझते नहीं तो मैं क्या करूँ? It's bloody your problem. You are unable to sell it because आपकी credibility तो tank में चली गई है. You will have to build credibility from there. You have to build the personal, क्योंकि आपने सारा personal capital तो use कर लिया है. 3 साल से आप उनको सुना रहे हैं story, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. Rebuild करिए, उनके साथ coffee पीजिए, उनको build करिए, उनकी family के बारे में पूछिए. Same things you will have to rebuild, just like in any other relationship. And align them. The word is align, not sharing. Align them to your new vision. Some people will not buy it. Let them go. Some people will buy it, take them along, hire new people and start. But make sure this time, फिर से अगर आप 6 महीने बाद साल भर बाद जाके कहोगे कि यार ये नहीं ये, तो कहेंगे बॉस तुमको जहाँ जाना जाओ, मुझे जहाँ जाना है मुझे पता है, right? But this happens. This happens. So did it address the question?
It did, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Other question?
I'm pausing for a minute. With your permission, with your watch, couple of things I need to close. We can carry on because there's enough and more sessions, free time available with us, and I can organize good conversations as well. So I'll take everybody's permission on continuing with this and asking Vivek if I could move on to the next piece.
I'm happy. दो लोग बड़े देर से हाथ उठा रहे हैं. मैं rapid fire.
So rapid fire 2 minutes.
Yeah, rapid fire 2 minutes. पीछे.
Not per person.
Yeah.
पीछे हाँ.
Yeah, I'm Vishal. So my question is, when we are entrepreneurs, we talk about lot of hustling. We're doing so many things in the organization and all. But now most of the people are reaching 4-5 years of life cycle. How important is to have role clarity?
Role clarity for an employee.
Entrepreneurs doing different things.
Absolutely. I mean, that's what pivot means, right? जो भी आपको experimentation करना था कर चुके. Now your path has to be very clear. Your strategy has to see, the path has to be clear before the strategy becomes. Then strategy is clear. That means you move, execute now. So all that has to be clear. Roles and responsibility, if part of your question was, they may change from the learnings before, right? So Karthik, for example, was product manager pehle, right? When I got involved with Level, and now you are doing something else, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So I told Shamal that this is what we do. So it's part of the game. Rapid fire.
Can I just add something to what you said?
अब यार आप rapid fire नहीं करने दे रहे.
Rapid fire है, rapid fire भी रहेगा. See, take this up further, is what I'm saying. But the essence of the whole process and essence of what I've heard from Vivek say today is crystal clear clarity on everything. Everything. Hustle is a mental thing. The actual processes, you spoke about processes. How can you have a process which is not crystal clear? And when you have a crystal clear process, how can that be delivered without clarity and roles? Which means how do you build expertise without having clarity?
Absolutely.
So roles, I don't think there is any doubt that the roles have to be 100% clear in my mind. But you take it up further.
Happy to guys talk to all of you. I'll just answer one last question and move on.
So the point around the CEO, the founder, he or she clearing up his or her desk. One of the conundrums, one of the point of debate that comes up during this, I mean, yes, everybody does want to kind of free up to do and go and serve the larger picture to grow the business from the 10 to the 15 to 20 to 50 and maybe $100 million business. But during the course of this journey, the early exploratory journey, and when you find your product market fit and you see that your product is selling not just for this immediate market, but even beyond the geographic boundaries that you started with, you realize that one of the founders, if there are 2 or 4 or whatever, however number of founders you might have, could probably be best suited for the role he or she is performing. Say for instance, sometimes it's necessary to think of, hey, you as a founder you start selling, right? That's the first thing. You have to sell as a founder. Carry a backpack, go meet people, do your demos, etc. Along this journey, you realize that one of the founders has become really good at it, and maybe that serves the business the best. But should the clearing of the
So let us say in your case, Tithi becomes very good in selling,
That's the point.
right? So should she clean up her desk? Well, it depends. If she is so good at sales, why should she should not become a sales head and still have a CEO? अभी कोई और आ गया आपके ऊपर, बड़ी तकलीफ होगी, but that is part of the game. That is what the business needs. So no harm.
Can CEO is a director of sales.
Maybe again, every journey is different. Right. This is why in this game you need mentors, because just cut and paste solution will not work. अब आपके में I know Tithi, I know you, so I can tell you what you need in my opinion. But कोई cut and paste solution नहीं. But I would not have any problem in your case, Tithi taking this head of sales role, and you still get a CEO, and you get involved with whatever else. That's part of what is good for institution is the important thing, not what is good for your ego and वो भी compromise होता है. Let me tell you, every day. You think you are the institution, you think you are the person. Boss आप नहीं हैं. हमने आपको fund किया है as long as you are associated with this institution. So आप अपने को क्यों institution समझने लगते हैं? What is good for institution? You need to think about it that way, right? And that is what earns you credibility. तुषार, तुम्हारे question का answer ये भी है. When people see you doing right thing for institution, your credibility goes up. They see you doing things for your own benefit, your credibility taps. With that, let me stop. I am available, guys. I'll talk to you anytime, anywhere, through email, whatever. And Charu, आप जरूर से देखिए. आप कभी भी इसके बाद emotional नहीं होंगे. You just see what happy success of science is, and I think all entrepreneurs should actually do that, and it's all from my experience. Thank you guys. ये मुझे भगा देगा.